So last time we were discussing tables in Microsoft Word. Today we are also going to discuss about tables. Table is very important with respect to documentation, so we will discuss all the aspects of table in detail. Today I'm going to add some tables on my document. You know how to add tables. Last time we have added some tables on our document, so I will not tell this again. I will just add the tables with the speed and feed some records inside my tables. Here I'm not going to type names, I'm going to type numbers. Don't worry about it. Because of shortage of time, I've created a table over here. Now I'll create another table over here with the second method, insert table. Here I will type number of the column and the number of rows, and here you go. This is a table that I need. I will create another table also. For that purpose, I will go to table command again, and I will choose another method to draw the table, that is draw table. You know that very well, we have discussed it in the previous class. So what we are going to do today with our tables. Today we are going to format our tables to make them colorful, to make them look like classical and beautiful. For that purpose, if you don't have a selection of the table, your last menu is help. When you will click inside any table, you will have two menus after help, that is table design and table layout. Let's see them. I will discuss about table design today only. For table design, I will select my table, and here we have table styles. These are the beautiful styles that are used to format a table. Let's apply a design from here. For example, I need this blue one. Just click the style you want to apply on the table. You will see that the selected table will be converted to that design. If you want to make it more interactive, just go here. That is table style options. It contains header row, first column, total row, last column, banded row, and banded column. Let's apply them one by one and see the result. Header row will highlight the top row of the table. Total row will highlight the bottom row of the table. Let's see. You can see that these are highlighted in blue. First column and last column will highlight the first column of the table and last column of the table in another color. Now you can see it is more beautiful. In the similar way, banded row and banded column will change the column and row styles over here. You can see that this color is lighter, this color is darker. Now if you don't need that style, just go over there and select plain table. These are the plain table designs. On the top of the styles button, choose any one of them. Your table will be converted to normal again. If you want to apply any style, just select the table and go the table design, go to the table styles and choose the style you want to apply on your table. You can also check or uncheck the options you require in your table. Here I have applied the black style, so it is not showing me the proper colors of my text. So I can change the colors from my home menu, so data will be more prominent or more beautiful. Let's see other options in this table design. This is the shading. What is shading? The highlight color, the background color of anything is called shading. For example, I want to apply the shading over this top row. I will select the row and go to shading button and choose a shading color for this. I want to apply the shading on this single cell only. I will click inside the cell and choose the shading color. I want to apply the shading on a column. I will select the whole column and choose the shading color. If you don't need shading, just go over there and select the column, select the table, go to the shading button again, click no color. It will remove all the shadings from your table. Next to that, you can see the border styles. Border styles are used to apply the border styles on your table. Let's see how to apply the border styles. These are the border styles. Choose any of them. I want to choose that double line border. Double line border contains this much styles. You can select any of them. I will choose this border. You can choose the width 1.5 point, 2.5 point, 3 points, 4.5 point, or 6 point. For the border, I'm going to apply the border width of 2.5 point. You can choose the pen color or border color. I'm going to apply the border color that brown, dark red, and go to the borders button. For which border you want it. For bottom border, you can see that bottom border is colored. For top border, for left border, for right border, for no border, for all borders, for outside border, for inside border. For example, I need it to be for all borders. I will choose the option all borders. You can see that all borders of my tables are formatted in the way I want it to format. If you don't need this style, first of all, I will discuss another thing, that is border painter. Border painter also can be used to apply this border style that I have chosen. I'm going to apply that border style over that table. I will just paint the border style wherever I want it. You can see that I am drawing borders and the border style of my table are changing. This is border painter. Now I don't need this border. I need the simple border that was created by default by Microsoft Word. For that purpose, I will select the whole table again. I will go to the border styles button and I will choose that single line style. And I will go to the border button and choose all borders. Whole borders will be removed from my table. That's all for today. Thank you very much.